Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing my apartment shopping haul. As you can see, a sneak peek of everything that I got. I'm going into my senior year of college and I'm moving into a new apartment, so I wanted to get some new things to redecorate it. I'm doing a whole video. It honestly might be up, I have no idea, but how I'm decorating my apartment. By the time you guys are watching this, I've already moved in, so I'm sure there's like some move-in vlogs or some content seeing all this stuff in action. So if you guys want to see what I'm planning on doing with this stuff, check out the video where I show you how I'm decorating my room. And if you want to see this in my room, go check out some of my other videos. I do a ton of college, dorm, advice, just like a ton of stuff. I don't know, a ton of college stuff. So make sure to subscribe. Like I said, I'm moving into my new apartment, so I wanted to get some new things. As you can tell, the vibe is definitely like a gold kind of vibe that we have going here. I don't know where to start. I'm just gonna like pick things and then I'll just go from there. I'm gonna start with these because these kept falling. I have to move this basket. It's like jamming into my back and it's quite uncomfortable. I apologize. First things that I got are two picture frames from IKEA. These are just like 5x7 picture frames. I'm gonna do it like a little collage. They'll be like this. And then I also got this picture frame. So these are all the same ones. You know, I don't know how to speak Swedish. Silverholgen. People always roast me for how I pronounce the Swedish words, but like I only speak English. I really should be more educated on other languages. I'm sorry. I thought it'd be cool to do a tiny little gallery wall of just pictures like this. I just thought it looked super chic. I have some prints that I ordered from Costco to put in these. They haven't come yet, but I also have another picture frame here. It's like kind of similar but a little different to these. It's a little bit smaller and there's like more like molding and it's more like an antique gold, but this one's from Target. I just printed out a ton of photos of like me and my friends, so I'll put those in here. I love picture frames. I feel like they make a room really like personable and they also add like the hint of gold. I feel like picture frames can really add a lot to a room, so I wanted to get some. I also got some command strips to hang up said picture frames. Another thing that I actually ordered that isn't here yet is nightstands. I ordered two nightstands from Walmart. They're beautiful. They're like white and gold and they have two drawers on them. They were definitely the most expensive thing that I bought for this room, but Walmart was the cheapest place to buy them because they price match. That's what I've learned. That's where I got my nightstands last year. They're not like directly from Walmart. I don't even understand how it works, but like it's a whole different fulfillment center. But basically you price match on Walmart and you get the cheapest ones. I wanted to get some nice nightstands. I also wanted to get ones with a good amount of storage just because my room is pretty tiny and there isn't a ton of storage, so I wanted to get some storage in my nightstands. I also got this. This is the bedding that I got. This is from Target. It's the brand Threshold. I always love their bedding. Waffle weave comforter set. It is the most amazing waffle texture. If you guys watch any of my videos, you guys know I'm obsessed with waffle texture. I've also done apartment shopping vlogs for every single thing that I got here, so no matter what I got, I've done an apartment shopping vlog. So if you guys like those, I have a lot. Definitely go check them out. In my Target apartment shopping vlog, I got this and I was kind of worried that it wasn't super soft, but last year I got a bedding from Target, same brand, and when I first felt it I was like, this is not soft. After washing it, using it for a while, it got really soft, so I'm not too worried about this. I love a waffle texture. I feel like it's so luxurious. I have gotten to a phase in my life where I will not buy a duvet and a duvet cover anymore. I absolutely hate putting the duvets in the duvet covers. I despise it. I find it so frustrating. It's so hard, so I wanted to get a comforter. It was honestly a deal breaker for me if it wasn't a comforter. I had a comforter last year and I just liked it so much more. I am a comforter girl through and through. I will always use a comforter. Oh, okay. Wait, give me a second. I lost something. Another thing that I got are sconces, and I got these for above my nightstands. These are from Amazon. I got them on Amazon Prime Day. I thought they were beautiful. I got two of them. I'm literally going to hang them on the wall using command strips because they're not very heavy and I love these. Like I had lamps last year on my nightstands and it took up all the space. I couldn't even put my laptop on my nightstands. I got these sconces. I think they are just so beautiful, so luxurious. I feel like sconces really add like a oomph to a room. These are from Amazon and like I said, I got two of them. I am terrified of hooking them up because I don't know if you can see this, but like there's wires here and it's gonna make me connect the wires and I'm afraid I'm gonna mess that up. So yeah, I'm scared. I guess I'll just follow the directions and hope for the best, so wish me luck. I also got some light bulbs for the sconces. Refresh Energetic Daylight from Target. You need light bulbs, I guess. I only ended up getting one throw pillow this year. I know, you're shocked. You're like, huh? But don't worry, I'll be using three. I have two that I already owned that I just wanted to reuse because I was like, I don't feel like buying it again. I'm reusing a lot of things that I had in my apartment or my dorms. I really did not want to spend a ton of money, but I mean, I did spend a ton of money, but I sold a ton of stuff and just like whatever, you know what I mean. But compared to years in the past, I had to buy a ton of new stuff, but since I've already lived in an apartment, I already had a lot of it. But I got this throw pillow. It's just like a simple neutral kind of rectangular throw pillow. It's from Target. It has a removable cover. I don't know what brand it is. I was trying to find, but it doesn't say. But I have have this one, and then I have like a square pillow, and then I have a round pillow, so I feel like all the different shapes will look nice together. It's just a nice simple one. I wanted my room to look more mature and like kind of like antique-y, bougie looking. I felt like a nice simple pillow was nice. It didn't distract too much. Another thing that I got, I think I might have already shown these, but these are just the sheets that I got. They're from Amazon. They're a luxury bamboo blend. They had amazing reviews online. I got it in this like kind of beigey color. I thought that was really nice. It kind of goes with the pillow, honestly. So, and they feel really soft. So definitely had to get sheets. I have some more picture frames up here. This one I think is super pretty. It's like a shadow glass. I don't even know what these are called. No, it doesn't say on here. This one is from Home Goods. I thought it was super cute, super pretty. And then it's just like a glass one. I really liked it. I kind of went overboard on the picture frames. I also saw this one, and I absolutely love this like sun. It says this is not a toy. Okay, Target. This is from Target, but I just thought it was really beautiful. I just thought that this would like layer really nicely with the other picture frames. Like, can we see the vision? I just thought they would go really well together, and I liked that it added like some different shapes into the room. Very visually pleasing for the eye to not have a bunch of squares and rectangles around my room. Another thing that I got, this is just like a simple thing. I got a laundry basket. I actually have this one in pink from Target. This is also from Target. I wanted to get two laundry baskets, one for my like colors and darks, and then one for my lights and whites. So I got a white laundry hamper for my lights and whites. I just wanted a second laundry basket to separate them. I find it really annoying when I have to separate them when I'm doing my laundry, so I just thought that was the best way to do that. I don't really know if this is Decor, but I got a razor set from Costco. It was just with the stuff. I can't, wow, I like choked on something. I don't know what it was. I got razors. I don't know if that counts. That's just definitely not Decor, but it was there, so I'm showing it. The last couple things for the bathroom, I got this bathroom, what is this called? A shower curtain. This is also a waffle material, so it goes in with the bedding. If you guys watch my apartment shopping vlogs, you know that I debated between having the same kind of theme in the bathroom, like having it continue in, because there's no door on the bathroom, if I'm not mistaken, so you can see the bathroom from the rooms. I was like, do I want to have it be like a continuous flow of design, or do I want to have a different vibe for the bathroom? I had no idea what I wanted to do, but I saw this, and I love the waffle material. I just feel like it's so luxurious, so I thought it was really pretty for a bathroom like shower curtain. Another thing that I got is this little toothbrush holder. I kind of screwed myself over because I was like, no, I want to wait till I find something perfect. I know it's like a toothbrush holder, but I just kind of was like pushing off getting like the bathroom stuff because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. And then I went to Target and everything was like picked over and gone. I saw this, I liked it. It's just a nice, like, it feels like clay, but there's some really nice like decals, imprints on it. I don't know. Split in two. Isn't that like a Taylor Swift lyric? Anyways, there's also like blue scuff marks on it, and I think it's because I set it next to the light bulbs and the box from the light bulbs like scuffed it. I got a nice little toothbrush holder. I had one from last year that I was going to reuse, but then I found it and it was like absolutely disgusting, and I was like, no. The last thing that I got is something that I'm like, I didn't need it, but I wanted it. I saw it and I was like, that is definitely the vibe of my room. That's exactly what I was going for. How can I not? And it is this basket. I don't know why I'm putting it on my head. I have no idea why I just did that. I got this basket. It's from Target. I just felt like it was the exact vibe that I wanted for the room. I love how it kind of looks like a sunburst, even though I know that things will be in it and you won't be able to see it. I can put shoes, I can put blankets. I just felt like it was perfect. It really completed the look for the room for me. I'm just trying to justify this purchase. I know that it was an impulse purchase, but I love it. I think that it's going to make the room look so nice. Like I said, blankets or shoes could go in here. I just think it's so cute, and I'm glad I got it. Not me justifying my purchases to myself. That is everything that I got for my room. If you guys want to see all this stuff in action, I've already moved in by the time that you guys are watching this video, so go check that out. There's probably like a move-in vlog or some kind of college week in my life, day in my life, that you guys can see the stuff in the background, so definitely go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!